move a bit. Okay, on my count, slowly. Execute it properly. The force and push should be on your heel. Okay? Not on your toe, not on the middle of your foot, from your heel. Then, butt first. Okay, when you go down, butt first. Okay? Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, okay? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, lower, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, straight body chest there, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Shake your legs.
Get that?
Drop the bed.
Another one.